Okay, so today I'll be going over the trade I took like on March 11th. So let's just clear the charts real quick. I go to March 11th, right? 9:30 open. Boom. What's this? This is a 6 a.m. candle. The last data candle we had was this 2 a.m. candle over here. What do we see? We see a nice 4 hour value gap here. We have price moving upwards all the way to this 2 a.m. Yes, it's a breaker structure to the downside, but we really have very good bullish incentive. But the breaker structure to the downside kind of telling me that we're going to sell off. So I'm going to be listening to that or it's just going to try to retrace all the way back to this, for value gap, bearish for value gap. So we're really going to like keep that in mind, right? I would say it's bearish and trying to retrace back to the 4 hour bearish for value gap. What do we see like over here, right? Boom, 9 a.m. candle. The last candle we have is 8 a.m. Again, nice down structure. Maybe we're gonna look for some equilibrium and then continue lower. That's like my idea, right? And then let's say, this is basically like what I have in mind for the market to me, like going to equilibrium, and then we're gonna look for sell-off. We're gonna try to see if we can play off this 1 hour for rally cap. I think this is looking pretty nice. This is what you just have to like be analyzing in pre-market, right? Let's go down to the 15-minute. See like, okay, what do we have on the 15-minute? We do not have any levels. I mean, we have the 1 hour here, so it's fine. Boom. Market opens. We just shoot up all the way till here. I see that we actually like destroy this area, but like, just like quick, and then like it sends it down. But like, come on, there's nothing to actually like work with. There's absolutely nothing like this whole side over here, and like beyond backside, literally nothing, right? So personally, I do not see an entry. Let's go down to like 1 minute. Is there like, okay, so we have this like inverse for value gap over here, and then no SMGs, but we barely have displacement. Okay, we have a bit of displacement here, but like we're not in anything, and it's just a displacement. So I don't know if like the markets missed this and it still hits, because let's say I did take that, boom, break even at this leg over here, boom, I would not even get stopped at a break even. I'm gonna hit am I gonna hit full TP, which is the 4 hour? Let me just check that. Yes, I would actually, which is insane, but I did not take anything for this day. You can see clearly, it was a no trade day, of course, because it's pretty obvious. Here, let's say you want to take this inverse. What was it going to play on? I'm just mark it so I actually know what it is on a higher time frame. Go on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, you have literally this 5 minute fair value gap here. It's literally perfectly in between like this. Like it's not even 5 minute fair value gap. Let's go to the 15 minute. What do you see on 15 minute? Okay, yeah, you could see like the 15 minute FVG like right here. Just mark this real quick and see if I think I did take this trade. Yeah, I did, but like it was against my systems. Like this was just like, psychology. You smart, but like it was psychology, right? So I'd say I didn't, do well on this day, because like, look, let's say you take this 15 minute, you're trying to like go to the upside. Like I closed this trade a bit early because I was like, hold up, what am I doing, right? It's not my bias, so I'm gonna close this trade. But like this is like a nice trade idea you could have. You could be like, okay, break even at these highs, and then like target like 1:2, something like that, or these Asian highs, right? But nah, I'm always looking for a sell, and this was the only opportunity I had. This was it, but there was nothing to play off, so I had to let it go, and that's what happens. I always have to do what I know, and I think that's even good. So no trade today, because I'm just playing it safe. I'm trying to get a higher win rate instead of just mashing everything just for the 1:2. Right? Be smart, guys.